Right, the next thing we're going to talk about is object-oriented programming. Who wants to cover that? Yeah? Good? So we'll talk about object-oriented programming. What's the difference between objects and non-objects? Any ideas? Other than these four? Just objects. Object concept. That's all it is. No catch. Who knows what an interpreter and a compiler is? Who wants to give me a bit?
They're for interpreting what you write down into a language that the actual computer can process.
Okay.
Bring it down, so an interpreter converts a line of code one at a time, a compiler takes it all at once and builds it down into machine code or whatever, or ever down into a lower level so it can be processed.
Alright, it's a good explanation, very easy. In non-object programming, linear programming, if you want to call it that, or object programming, they've got both types. They've got interpreter language and you've got compiler language as well. So you've got both. Like what's your name?
Paul.
Paul. Like Paul said, you know, interpreter takes one line by line. So if you had 100 lines and line 99 had an error in it, you had a missing semicolon, it would actually run until line 99 it would stop. But in compiler it would crash. It would say to you, look, there's an error, you need to sort this error before you proceed any further. Before we can compile the code, you need to sort this error, you need to put that semicolon in or something. In object-oriented programming, which is the C++, C was non-objects and then C++ came along, and Java, pure object-oriented programming language, purely on objects. There's 4 different concepts, or there's five concepts here. First one, encapsulation.